Want to make money using Pinterest? Watch this. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your Pinterest account into a profitable business. If you're passionate about sharing ideas, DIY projects, or any niche that you love, Pinterest is the perfect platform to monetize your passion. With over 400 million monthly active users, the potential to reach a massive audience is right at your fingertips. Let's dive in and get started on turning your Pinterest passion into profits. Step 1. Setting up your Pinterest account for business. First things first, if you don't already have a Pinterest account, sign up for one. If you do, make sure to switch it to a business account. This is crucial because it gives you access to analytics, ads, and other tools that are essential for growing your audience and making money. Step 2. Creating engaging content and boards. Next, you need to create content that resonates with your target audience. Start by setting up boards that are relevant to your niche. Make sure your boards are well organized and filled with high-quality pins. Each pin should have an eye-catching image and a compelling description with relevant keywords. This will help your pins show up in Pinterest searches and attract more followers. Step 3. Driving traffic to your Pinterest account. Now that you have your boards and pins set up, it's time to drive traffic to your account. One effective way is by linking your Pinterest account to your other social media profiles and your website or blog. Share your pins across different platforms to reach a wider audience. Also, engage with other users by commenting on their pins, joining group boards, and participating in Pinterest communities related to your niche. Step 4. Monetization Strategies. Finally, let's talk about how to make money from your Pinterest account. One way is through affiliate marketing. You can pin products from affiliate programs and earn a commission for every sale made through your links. Another method is to sell your own products or services. You can create pins that link directly to your online store or service page. Additionally, you can offer Pinterest management services to businesses that want to grow their presence on the platform. To conclude, the key to making money on Pinterest is consistency and providing value to your audience. Keep pinning high-quality content, engage with your followers, and explore different monetization strategies. Start today and you'll be on your way to turning your Pinterest passion into profits. Thanks for watching and happy pinning!